Hello guys, welcome back to My Dreams Academy. Guys, today we'll discuss very important point, hormones. Right now this topic is very important, very interesting. So within 5 minutes we will clear the concept of hormones. Hormones is what, guys? Actually hormones is non-nutrient. Hormones is non-nutrient chemical messenger which secretes from particular gland and effect on target cell. In the sense what, guys? Hormones secreted from particular gland and effect on a target cell. This is a definition of the hormones. Hormones is a non-nutrient chemical messenger, right now, and it secrete what, guys? It secrete actually trace amount. Right now, for example, guys, I'm talking about of the particular gland right now and particular hormones. For example, guys, example is the TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Guys, this thyroid stimulating hormone secreted from where? Secreted from the hypothalamus, right now, released from the pituitary gland, but effect on where, guys? Thyroid gland. Thyroid gland. Because of the thyroid stimulating hormone stimulates the secretion of the thyroid hormones. In the sense what? It's secreted from particular gland is what? Hypothalamus, released from where? Pituitary gland, but effect on where, guys? Thyroid. So this is the definition of the hormones. Guys, let's discuss some important point of hormones. First we are talking about the discovery. So actually hormones discovered by Starling and Baylis. Right now there are two scientists named Starling and Baylis. Guys, first secreted hormones is known as a what? That is called secretin. Secretin is a first secreted hormone. Who discovered secretin, guys? That is Baylis. So actually Baylis discovered secretin. So first secreted hormone secretin discovered by Baylis. Guys, first isolated hormone is known as insulin. First isolated hormone, insulin. Who discovered insulin, guys? So insulin discovered by Banting and Best. Two scientists is there, guys. One is called Banting and another one is known as Best. Banting and Best. Right? So this is a somewhat concept of the hormones, guys. Hormones is a chemical messenger. Hormones is a non-nutrient chemical messenger secrete in trace amount, secreted from particular gland and effect on target cell. Right now, guys, one also question they will ask, who said hormones is a chemical messenger? So one another scientist, that is called Huxley said hormones is a chemical messenger. Who discovered hormone, guys? Discovered by Starling and Baylis. First secreted hormone, secretin, discovered by Baylis. First isolated hormone, insulin, isolated from where? Beta cell of pancreas. Who discovered, guys, insulin? Discovered by Banting and Best. Right? So this is a little bit concept of what, guys? Little bit concept of the hormones. Guys, if we are talking about the classification of hormones, right now we are talking about the classification of hormones. So hormones classified into 5 categories, guys. Right now, first, that is a modified amino acid. What we can say, guys? That is called the modified amino acid. Guys, modified hormones is what we can say, that is called T3 and T4. What we can say, guys? T3 and T4, triiodothyroxine and tetraiodothyroxine. Is that clear, guys? So it is a modified hormones. Clear? Second category is what, guys? Second category we can say about of the amines. Second category is what guys? Amines. Amines means what guys? We are saying about this is called the catecholamines. Catecholamines. Under the catecholamines, we can consider what guys? We can consider about the epinephrine as well as what guys? That is called norepinephrine. Epinephrine as well as a norepinephrine, and one also hormone guys, that is called melatonin. Right? So amines is what guys? Epinephrine, norepinephrine as well as what guys? Melatonin. Right? Next is what guys? Next hormone guys, steroid hormone. Most important guys, steroid hormones. Steroid hormones guys, there are following type of the steroid hormone. First one is known as a what? Male sex hormone. Male sex hormones consider under what guys? Consider under the steroid hormone. So male sex hormone is what guys? That is about of the androgen as well as what guys? Testosterone. So androgen and testosterone is what guys? Steroid hormone. Second is female sex hormone. Female sex hormone guys, two type, estrogen and progesterone. What guys? That is called estrogen and progesterone. Right now, so two type of what guys? Female sex hormone here guys. Third one is what guys? Hormones of adrenal cortex. Hormones of adrenal cortex guys. Hormones of adrenal cortex is a three type guys, consider under steroid hormone, that is called cortisol, cortisone and corticosterone. Right now, cortisol as well as what guys? Corticosterone. So this is what guys? This is a steroid hormone. Next will be what guys? That is called peptide hormones. What we can say guys? That is called peptides hormone. Guys, peptides hormone have a two chain. One is known as a what guys? That is called short chain, and another one is known as a what guys? This is called long chain. Short chain as well as a long chain. Guys, short chain example, oxytocin. Guys, long chain example, ACTH as well as also you can say melanocyte stimulating hormone. MSH and ACTH is a long chain. Right now, next will be what guys? Proteinous hormone. Next will be proteinous hormone. Right guys? Proteinous hormone, you can say about a growth hormone. Right? You can say about of the TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. You can say about of the PTH, parathyroid hormone. You can say about of the relaxin. Right now, about the relaxin. You can say about of gonadotropic releasing hormone, means what guys? FSH as well as what guys? LH. So these all hormone considered under proteinous hormone. So what I said guys? Classification of hormone, that is a modified hormone T3 and T4. Second is what? Amines, catecholamines. Under that guys, epinephrine, norepinephrine, melatonin. Next is what guys? Steroid hormone. Steroid hormone means what? Male sex hormone, female sex hormone, adrenal cortex hormone. Male sex hormone, androgen and testosterone. Female sex hormone, estrogen and progesterone, and adrenal cortex hormone, cortisol as well as a corticosterone. Next is what? Peptide hormones, short chain peptide, long chain peptide. Short chain peptide, oxytocin. Long chain peptide, ACTH as well as melanocyte stimulating hormone, proteinous hormone, growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, parathyroid hormone. Right now, relaxin, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone. These all are considered under proteinous hormone. Which type of question they will ask from here guys? They will ask question, in which of the following is steroid hormone except, otherwise in which of the following hormone is a proteinous hormone. Right now, so guys, 100% they will ask question from here. It's a most important topic is there, guys, right now. So this is a totally about of the hormones. So how we can define hormones? Hormones is a non-nutrient chemical messenger, right now, secrete in trace amount, secreted from particular gland, effect on target cell. Is that clear or not, guys? Okay. Who discovered hormone? Is Starling and Baylis. First secreted hormone, secretin, discovered by Baylis. First isolated hormone, insulin, discovered by Banting and Best. Is that clear or not, guys? Right now, hormones is a chemical messenger, chemical nature. Who said? Huxley. Clear classification of hormone? Already I said, guys, right? So this is a totally about of the hormones, guys. In next video, we will discuss about the mechanism of hormone action, right? So have a nice day, guys. We will meet in next video and discuss the mechanism of hormones action.